Like, like when you do something and it works, you're like, okay, don't touch it. Alright, good morning. This is the day two. Yesterday I created the video of that first APC BN1500M2 UPS that was not working out for me. And when I made that video, I was telling you that it was connected to my server, my switch, my ASA that you can see there, my modem, and the Verizon on device that's up in the ceiling. So as you can see, I did not replace it with another one. I actually found this one on Craigslist. And actually this is the APC SRT1500XLA model that I found on Craigslist. It was I actually got it for $120. So compared to the price of a new one right now, which is in the thousand, I think just over $1,000, I believe. I knew I was taking a risk. In fact, yesterday when I brought it home, there was a few issues, and it hasn't been 24 hours as yet. So I don't know. As you can see, I took the face plate off, and I'm keeping it off because I don't know what I did to make it work. Again, it's not been 24 hours, but I'm just not touching it. Like, like when you do something and it works, you're like, okay, don't touch it. This is one of those moments, don't touch it. So yeah, so far it's working, it's functional. I woke up this morning to see if the battery would charge, and you can see there it's fully charged. Yesterday when I took it up, it's only 1 bar, and it wasn't really charging. It wasn't really showing any runtime. It had a few errors. Couldn't really see the configuration settings. I didn't have some of the cables because it's a Craigslist purchase. It didn't have any warranty, so couldn't really return it or do anything like that. So yeah, so far it's running. Let me go ahead and simulate a power shutdown here. I just want to see what's going to happen if it depletes like the first APC, or if it's going to overcharge. You can see there that it's showing that it should be good for 45 minutes. Yeah, 46 minutes, 26 seconds. And so I'm just going to pause this here, simulate the shutdown, remove the AC adapter and come back. Alright, so I just pulled the AC adapter. You can see it there. It's still running. Utility power outage, runtime 42 minutes, 34 minutes. It is dropping there. But if I get 5 minutes, I consider that a plus. So I don't hope to get the full 30 or 40 minutes or 20 minutes. Probably even 1 minute is good. So you can see there, I plugged it out. It's obviously doing better than the one that I had yesterday that shut down in like 5 seconds. And you can see this is showing about 32 minutes. Oh yeah, this is good so far. I really like that. Yeah, so you can see I'm at least gonna get 60 seconds out, more than 5 seconds out of this, and most likely at least 5 minutes if something like that goes off, and you could hear the beep the audible sound that's alerting you to something is wrong. So let me go ahead and pause and plug it back in there. Alright, so I plugged it back in. See, it went back. Kind of went back to the way that it was there before I unplugged. So far so good with this replacement versus the one that I had yesterday.